In section 9.5, we're going to solve a quadratic by using the quadratic formula. This is usually the student's favorite method here. And our quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We say when a does not equal 0, of course, because you can't divide by 0, at least we can't yet. And when b squared minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, that's because we can't have a negative under the radical. So this is going to work if there are real solutions. If there aren't real solutions, you'll end up usually with a negative under that radical. So here's a method, or here's the problem that we're gonna solve by using the quadratic formula. X squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. So in this problem, a equals 1, b equals negative 3, and c equals negative 10. So when we plug it into our formula, we say x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. And then we're going to have to simplify that. So the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. And when I simplify the radical, I do the square first and then the multiplication second. So negative 3 squared is positive 9. I leave the minus sign there. I find I make a lot fewer mistakes when I do that. And now I have 4 times 1 times negative 10, and that's negative 40. Over 2 times 1 is 2. Now the nice part here is that 9 minus 40 is going to turn into a 49, which of course is, the square root of 49 is 7. So I'm going to end up with 3 plus or minus 7 over 2, which is 3 plus 7 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. And 3 minus 7 is negative 4, divided by 2 is negative 2. So our solutions are 5 and negative 2. So if we actually graph this one, the graph of our function would end up crossing the x-axis at positive 5 and negative 2.